Hi, it's me Ify Angler and you are watching Ify Angler TV. Today our topic is about an application which we are using for checking weather report in fishing. An application what I'm using for checking weather report once I go for fishing is Catches Fishing Expert. So let's see how this app is working. So this Catches app you can get from Play Store and App Store. It's look like this one here, what you see, Catches with a logo, and you open it. It's same like Instagram. The first thing people are posting their catches, okay, and the second thing you need to here you can get like about the search box. Go to the search box. You can get here too many things: hot take, angler, species, place, but you go for species. Here the more important thing is you can see like too many fish there out, and you can search by the name if you want any fish. Like here I search trout, so the trout is coming like how many kinds. So the good thing about this one is here, as you can see, spangled emperor. This is the sherry, the emperor here, number 3. So I press here. You can see all information about the fish. It is safe to eat, is eatable or not eatable, which family, blah blah blah, too many things, okay, and who catch, where they catch, identification, etc. But most important thing on this page is you go on the up right side, there is one button for sharing and the second button is like a chart. You need to go on this chart. So by this chart, the most important thing is this one. As you can see here is bait, bait, bait. So what bait you can use to catch this fish? As you go here, all baits, so you can see like you can use shrimp, you can use too many things, and you can use the jigs here, swing, mizuchi jigs, and you can what things you have to use for that specific fish, you can get information. So it's make you more easy to catch a specific fish by having this application. And we go back, as this was in home button. On home you have to focus on these two things, and the second one here have the more important is the second one next to the home is weather. So in weather we can have the map. On the map you go to your location. I save too many location here, but for example how you choose a new location. For example, I'm choosing here a new location. This one, zoom it, okay, it's zoom out. So once you make it zoom, then you can press which place you want to see. Like for example, I'm watching on this one, so press here a while, it will give you marked location. So once you mark location, here you go to the weather. It's writing here the weather. Once you go to the weather, it will give you high tide and low tide chart. So in high tide and low tide chart, as you can see here, this is high tide 6:50. So before 2 hours and after 2 hours, it will be very good fishing. As you can see here, 5 a.m. level 8 water. In the corner on the right side up, you can see there are 3 fish. These 3 fish mean more activity. 2 fish mean also activity. If it's give you only 1 fish, that will be low activity, but 3 fish is more activity. The second thing here, you can see here on the top, like 6:45 on the top, there is a calendar. This calendar you can choose the date. I was looking for Saturday. This is 15 April. One day before you check the weather, this will be very good prediction. And the second thing on this, you have to know about the wind. This is the, you can see here on the right side, 28 kph, 14 kph. This is about the wind. And on the first here on the left side you can see time. This is like 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. So here, as we can see, it's April Saturday. The wind speed is too much, 28 kph. It's going up and up and up, like it's too much wind, so not good fishing. If you go up, you can see like 16 April. Also, it's showing more. So anything, if you get like, for example, this one here is 18 April. This is 4 a.m., 8 kph, 8 km per hour, 6 km per hour, 5 km per hour. So this is very good time for fish. So this was the main thing to know about this application. This one was a quick review of Catches, the fishing expert application for checking weather report for the shore fishing. And for our next topic, we will talk about shore angling gears and components, like what we need for shore angling. Thank you for watching our video.